Hello everyone, today we'll try to understand what are expressions. So first of all, we'll try to understand what is an expression, in the sense what is a mathematical expression. So when you started off with addition, subtractions, all of those, what you did is you performed some of the operations, mathematical operations. Which were those? Those were additions, subtractions, multiplication and division. So what did you do during that time? Let's say, let's take an example. 2 plus 3. This actually gave us 5. So this is an expression. So if you look at the definition, what does it say? An expression is a sentence with a minimum of two numbers and at least one mathematical operation. So if you look at this, that is an operation. These two are numbers. So when you started off adding or performing any mathematical operations, what happened is you just took two numbers. That's where you did, because you didn't start off with how they are actually applied into your daily life. So if I look at these numbers, there are two numbers and there is an operation which is addition, that is giving rise to 5. So similarly, any number which you have taken, 15 minus 7, is actually going to give you 8. So this is a subtraction operation. Same thing with multiplication and division. So according to definition, there are two numbers and there is a mathematical operation. But now this is what you have learned when you started off with your first standard, second standard. So then after that, what happened? You encountered word problems. So you always thought word problems are just word problems. But actually, if you look at word problems, they are all real life examples. So what are real life examples? In the sense, those are the places where we apply these rules, applications. So real life applications. So let's start an example. If 2 and 3, if this is the same example, if I take, let's just take an example where in your questions you had a question, person A bought 2 kgs of apple, person B bought 5 kgs of apple. Together, how many kgs of fruits they bought? So then actually what you usually do is 5 plus 2 is 7 kgs. So this is where you apply. These are the real life applications where you actually applied the mathematical operations. So let's look at the same thing. So after this, when you went on from standard to standard, you started off with fractions. So even fractions had same operations. Then after that you had decimals. Then after that, in the same thing, you had metric measurements. Metric measurements. So in these metric measurements, what you did is, in between somewhere here, you had all these decimals, such as 2.75 kgs, and someone bought 3.5 kgs. How do you write 5 kgs? Just like that. So one more zero here. So you get, if I add whatever may be the operation, so it is 5.755 kgs or 5 kgs 755 grams. So these are all the expressions that you have done when you started off with mathematics. So this is the normal expression with two numbers and a mathematical operation.